So which strategy is better for trading SPY options? Using the SPY T trading strategy or going directional, just buying calls or puts? And those of you that are familiar with SPY Tomorrow know that's where we get our signal. Our up or down signal is over at spytomorrow.com, and that's free on the front page. It's people who want more in-depth information such as the confidence number, they become members, but for the most part people just use the front page for free. I also like to trade directionally. If SPY Tomorrow says up, I buy calls. If SPY Tomorrow says down, I buy puts. To compare these two strategies, I would do it like this. If the indicator said up, of course, for directional, I would buy one call. However, for the SPY T, I would buy two calls and one put. So of course, if the market goes up as predicted, the directional call will make money, and the SPY T trade will also make money. Both those calls will go up in value. However, the put will go down in value, which will limit the amount of profit in comparison to the directional call. However, if the indicator is wrong and the market goes down, well then SPY T can have the advantage. If the market goes down, well that directional call will most certainly lose money. However, in the case of the SPY T trade, yes, the two calls will go down in value, but the put will go up in value. And if the market completely crashes, chances are that put will end up having more value than the original two calls in the first place. There are times that directional actually has an advantage over SPY T, a very specific time, something you need to keep an eye on. Now, there are ways to protect yourself with directional, and I'll talk about that in a moment. However, with SPY T, when we have volatility going down, there are times when it's wrong that it could be really wrong because the volatility going down means the premiums are going down faster and you could actually lose a lot more money than if you just went directional. Based on my experience, from a protection point of view, SPY T tends to have an advantage about 75% of the time. Now, your profits won't be as high, but the protection part means your lows, your losses will not be as great as if you just went directional when the signal's wrong. However, if you can stomach the greater up and down swings, especially keeping your emotions in check during the down swings, consider directional. Because based on my experience, on average, I gain more over time, a lot faster with directional trading. And you can protect yourself using this one technique. And that strategy is position sizing, just using a percentage of your portfolio. And if you feel that the signals that you're using are not very strong, whether it's SPY Tomorrow or a different signal, don't put as much in. Don't buy as many calls or puts. However, if you feel the signal is extremely strong and it seems obvious that the direction of the market and all signals are go, well, you can put a little bit more in, which of course can lead to more profits. So you tell me, what do you prefer, directional or SPY T trading? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.